Hey there, Nayax users. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial, how to refund a transaction using your Nayax credit card reader. So if you have a customer requesting a refund, stick around because I got you covered. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So you're only able to do refunds from your back office from your computer. So you will have to log into your back office. So I'm going to share my screen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log in. All right, once you log into your dashboard, you're going to click on Reports. Then you're going to click on Online Reports. And then you're going to come down to Dynamic Transactions Monitor. All right, from here, the actor will be your business name. So you just select your business. The machine group, if you chose to add a machine group to your credit card readers, you'll just choose the group that you selected. The machine, this will bring up all your locations of your credit card readers, so you just want to pick the location that you're looking for. And then on the next four, you don't have to fill in anything. You can leave those blank. In this second section here, if you have any of those details to help find that transaction quicker, you are able to fill it in here. And you can leave all of this blank. And typically you would do the refund same day. However, this transaction was done on Tuesday. So I am going to select the time interval and I'm going to do the date range. And then I'm going to select January 9th. And then I'm also going to narrow it down even further and pick the time frame. All right, once you have all the details there, you're going to click on View Report. Now from here, it'll bring up all your transactions from that day. You just want to be very careful that you do indeed pick the correct one. This is my personal transaction. I did purchase a tuna sandwich, so we can see right here on top. This is my tuna that I purchased on that day. And so we're just gonna refund that. So what we're gonna do, once you find the correct transaction, you're gonna right click it. And you're gonna come up with some options here. You're gonna click on Request Refund. This screen is going to come up and you must enter a refund reason. So we're just going to say, customer stated that the sandwich was opened. And then if you have the customer's email address, you are able to input it here. If you do not, and it'll send an email to them. But if you don't have that email, then no worries, you won't have to. You can do the full refund amount or you can do a partial if need be. Once you get all the information here in this section, you're just going to go ahead and click on Request Refund. It's going to ask, are you sure that you want to request it? You're going to click on Request Refund again. And it's going to show that it was completed successfully. And there you have it. Refunding a transaction with your Nayax credit card reader is just as simple as that. If you have any questions or have any concerns, please make sure you leave your comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial useful, and subscribe to the channel to get more Nayax tips and tricks. Until next time, peace.